Hi everyone, it's Tim Dowd with Allstate Insurance. The video for today is for families in Indiana. It is the two coverages on your auto insurance policies that most families don't fully understand. The first one is bodily injury. Bodily injury is protection for you in the event of an accident that you're at fault in to help pay for someone else's medical bills, time off work, and pain and suffering. I hear it all the time from families. I just want minimum coverage at a minimum price. Well, that might sound good until you have an accident. And then you find out that you don't have the right type of protection. And it could cost you a lot of money out of your own pocket. So if you ever have an accident and the bills exceed your policy limits, you've got two options. Either you can pay those out of your checking and savings, or they can start garnishing up to 25% of your income for the next 20 years. Either of those options are terrible for most of my family's financial situations. So I highly recommend, having great coverage. For most of my families, we really recommend going up to the $250,000 per person for bodily injury protection. Many families that we do quotes for each day only carry $50,000 or just $100,000, which again, when I started with Allstate 22 years ago, maybe those were adequate for a lot of situations. But with inflation and today's pricing, $50,000 or $100,000 does not go very far if you ever have a bad accident. The second one that most families don't understand is medical protection. This protects you and your family in the event of an accident where you get hurt, either because it was your fault or because it was someone else's fault. So again, if you get into an accident and you get hurt, if you've got great medical coverage, so we normally recommend $50,000 or $100,000 for a lot of our families if they've got private insurance that has a high deductible. So if you've got a $5,000 or $10,000 deductible on your healthcare plan, knowing that your car insurance will pay that first $50,000 or $100,000 before you have to come up with one penny out of your own pocket can be a real relief. So again, give me a call or click the link below. Again, the phone number for my office is 888-936-7157, or shoot me an email at timdoud, TIMDOUD, @allstate.com. Again, my staff and I look forward to talking to you and personalizing some auto and or home insurance to best protect your family. Thanks.